1985, a young man named Howard Schultz visited Italy and saw something unusual, a thriving coffee culture built on connection, not just caffeine. Returning to the US, he transformed that vision into what we now know as Starbucks. Schultz wasn't born into wealth. What set him apart? His mindset. Your mindset is the invisible force steering your financial future. It's not about the cash in your wallet. It's the belief in your ability to create, innovate, and overcome. Let's explore how your mindset could make you rich. Henry Ford once said, "Whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right." Sounds simple, but it's profound. Your beliefs shape your actions, and your actions shape your results. Think about it. If you believe you're destined to struggle financially, you might not even try to invest, take risks, or learn new skills. But if you believe you can create wealth, you start looking for opportunities everywhere. Psychologist Carol Dweck introduced the concept of growth mindset, the belief that abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. On the flip side is the fixed mindset, which assumes talents and intelligence are static. For instance, let's take two freelancers. One faces criticism and decides, "I'll improve." The other thinks, "I'm just not cut out for this." Guess who succeeds? Wealth isn't a talent, it's a skill you cultivate. Jeff Bezos left a stable Wall Street career to start Amazon in a garage. Risky? Absolutely. But calculated risk-taking is often the bridge between where you are and where you want to be. Here's the catch. Most people fear failure. But failure isn't the opposite of success. It's a step on the path. Think of failure as tuition for the school of success. You've heard the saying, "You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with." Surround yourself with ambitious, growth-focused individuals, and their mindset will rub off on you. In contrast, hanging out with naysayers or people stuck in a scarcity mindset can drag you down. Choose wisely. Your network can be your net worth. Mindset without knowledge is like a car without fuel. Understanding how money works, budgeting, saving, and investing is critical. But it's not just about knowing, it's about doing. The wealthy don't just earn, they manage and multiply their income. They live below their means, invest wisely, and understand delayed gratification. Wealth begins in the mind but grows with discipline. A wealthy mindset starts with gratitude. When you focus on abundance, you see possibilities. Gratitude shifts your focus from what's lacking to what's achievable. Think about this. Opportunities are everywhere, but you need the right mindset to recognize them. Gratitude keeps you grounded and optimistic, key traits for long-term wealth creation. So, what's stopping you? Your mindset is your most valuable asset. It's time to believe in yourself, embrace growth, take risks, and surround yourself with positivity. Wealth starts in your mind, and with the right mindset, there are no limits to what you can achieve.